All right, good old Wolfie came in on the random and gave me the upgraded wheel. And that is always a good thing. Could I get a major or super? Super mansions, super mansions. Stop on the super mansions. Super mansions, fantastic. I don't know that I've ever gotten this. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Of course I would have been okay with that major. Of course, maybe I'll get a major in the super mansions. Are we ready? So we are starting with 6 mansions. If we can just get a 6 hat retrigger, we'd have 12. Amazing how math works. There we got 1. We need mini mansions. Every hat here is precious. All right, well that's 2 more. Oh, 4 more, and that's a retrigger to go with it. Love it. All right, more. Just do that again, about 28 more times. 2 more mansions. 4 more mansions and a retrigger. I would never get tired of that. Right, there's 1 more mansion. Let's do some more of those 4s. Those were fun. They were extra fun. Ooh, it's a retrigger. 3, not 4, but I am equally as amused. Fantastic. You can do that again too. 2 more mansions. 1 more spin. Oh, let's retrigger again. Oh, just 2. Okay. I don't know how many mansions I have, but it is a lot. Like 13, 18, 22, 27 mansions. All right, 27 mansions. Let's see that major in there, maybe $1,000. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I can hear people behind me talking. They are loving it too. All right, let's get some big coins. There goes Wolfie. Let's go. Big coins. Just put 1 major in here and I'm happy. Mini, minor, mini, minor. 2 minors, okay. So that's over $700. Wow. That was fantastic. Over $700 of bonus. I was getting a little jaded on this, but now I'm not. That was fantastic. All right, well, I'm going to predict that, well, you know what, I'm going to do some backup spins anyway. See what happens with them. Maybe I can get lucky. And that was just a random Wolfie coming in. $710.90. Puts me at $919. That was fantastic. Ready to do some backup spins? I certainly am. Hot dog. I liked it. $700. All right, you know what? I'm going to predict that bonus was probably good enough to stand on its own. Although if I get a bonus here in the backups, I will certainly continue. Oh, here he is. He's going to give me more hats. So there will be a bonus. This is the first time I've gotten it this way. I've gotten Wolfie coming in random, but I haven't had Wolfie save a bonus. So now we're at the regular hat bonus, 6 free games. Before I press the button, remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments. Do you like Huff and Even More Puff? I like it a lot more than I did a half hour ago. Let's re-trigger and get some more mansions. Those mansions were fun. 27 of them was really fun. Oh, it's a re-trigger. I didn't even see it. I was just sitting here staring at the business pigs, wondering if they were going to pay anything. All right, there's another mansion. 2 more mansions, mansions, mansions. All right. Oh, and a mansion's going to be in there. 6 hats, going to be 5 straw, and we're going to convert 1 to mansion. That was nice. Do it again. All right, what are we at here? 2 mansions, bunch of straw, and 1 wood. That's a 7 hat bonus down there. You can tell they were happy to get that. $2-cent machine, all these numbers double. $4.50 there. All right, let's see, another minor would be good. All right. Well, wasn't $700, but $77.80 is also a good bonus. So I guess we should just do backup spins. Ride this wave as long as it goes. Although I will say the battery in my phone is low. But it would be a good way to go filming bonuses. And it doesn't look like I'm getting one right away. The trigger down there. So remember, like, subscribe. Ooh, oh! Check him out. What's he gonna do for me this time? Oh, it's a wheel. Wow, this is fantastic. All right, wouldn't it be great if I got the upgrade? This machine is just lit up now. Oh, stop on upgrade. You can do it. We're on upgrade. That is excellent. Okay, what are you going to do for me, Mr. Upgrade? I guess we're on Super Mega Hat. All right, Super Mega Hat. I don't know how this one counts down to 10 or not. I have no clue. I just want to see all sorts of hats on the screen when it stop there. Oh, and it did. All right, so that's 19 hats. Yeah, 19. I can do that.
I saw the other one you had.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, let's get some more of those.
You would have won, though, right?
All right, it's another re-trigger. Need to get some of these guys turned into mansions, because that's where the big fun money. Oh, well, we did get a mansion out of it. And we got another mansion. Looks like $36 for those little pigs. Which really adds to the fun, doesn't it? Oh, there's a re-trigger that's going to generate a mansion. Mansion, 1 wood, 3 straw. Any re-trigger that gets a mansion is a good re-trigger. Oh, and there's 2 straw, 1 wood. It is still a re-trigger, so it's a good re-trigger. And $8 for the tape measure, the little thing says. 2 more straw. All right, it's a re-trigger. What are we doing? 3 wood houses.
So you won, huh?
I know. It was like watching.
Need the retrigger here. And didn't. Okay, so what do we have? Lots of little stuff. 2 mansions. Is it just 2 mansions? Just 2 mansions. Okay. So all the straw is going to be multiplied by 2 because it is a 2-cent machine. All right, we're already up to $19 plus 45. Anyone here going to give me a coin? No coins. All right. Oh, 3 mansions. Cool. Well, let's at least minor one of them. It didn't. But not complaining. $177 total. I think that's right. And some pennies. 181. I missed math, but I missed it the good way. Well, ready to ride the wave? I certainly am. Backup spins have been more than fantastic lately. Just every time I was getting ready to stop, Wolfie would make his appearance in the random. And maybe it was just too much to ask for another one. All right, so once again, remember to like, subscribe, leave comments, particularly subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000. Oh, I saw that tail going on up there and thought that was going to do something. All right, this is the thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that fantastic quick run on Huff and even more Puff Yamava first floor. See, I'm still excited. I can't shut up. All right. Thank you for watching.